we are witnessing a paradigm shift in software development, where software engineers use large language models or other AI systems to boost their productivity. This quote highlights a transformational period in software engineering. Let's dive in what have been found out in these two research articles. As AI tools evolve, they are no longer just enhancing the work of engineers, but are increasingly capable of performing tasks autonomously. This raises a provocative question. What happens when these tools start replacing engineers? Could mid-level roles at companies like Meta vanish by mid-2025? Current trends in AI and software engineering, AI's rapid growth, the rise of large language models like GPT-4, has fundamentally transformed software development. These tools automate a wide range of tasks, including code generation, debugging, optimization, and documentation creation. According to a research article, LLMs mark a new revolution in programming, offering real-time, context-aware solutions that reduce the dependency on traditional resources like Stack Overflow. The shift is not confined to research labs. Major industry players, including Meta, Amazon, and Google, are actively adopting AI to automate routine coding tasks. Research article highlights that ChatGPT, for example, outperforms novice programmers in solving medium complexity coding challenges. By reducing the time and cost associated with routine software development, AI is rapidly becoming a critical tool in the industry. Adoption in industry. The integration of AI into software development processes is no longer optional but essential for companies looking to maintain a competitive edge. As research article emphasizes, AI tools are becoming indispensable in code development, testing, and maintenance. Their ability to streamline processes allows engineers to focus on high-value tasks, accelerating project timelines, and improving software quality. However, this widespread adoption also raises concerns about the long-term impact on the engineering workforce, particularly for those in mid-level roles. Why mid-level engineers are at risk? The nature of repetitive tasks. Mid-level engineers often handle tasks like debugging, code maintenance, and feature implementation, roles that are particularly susceptible to automation. Research article notes that AI tools excel in predictable and repetitive tasks, such as generating documentation, repairing code, and conducting routine tests. Research article reinforces this point by highlighting ChatGPT's ability to tackle challenges on platforms like LeetCode, where it consistently matches or surpasses the performance of mid-level engineers. The repetitive nature of these tasks makes them ideal for AI automation. Unlike human engineers, AI systems can work tirelessly without errors and at a fraction of the cost. This creates a compelling case for companies to replace or supplement human labor with AI, especially for roles that do not require creativity or advanced problem-solving. Cost efficiency. From a business perspective, the cost-saving potential of AI is undeniable. Automating roles that involve routine coding tasks allows companies to reduce overheads while maintaining or even improving productivity. Research article notes that ChatGPT's performance often exceeds that of novice engineers, particularly in terms of runtime and memory efficiency. By minimizing the need for human intervention, companies can achieve significant cost savings, further incentivizing the adoption of AI. AI's growing competence. AI systems are rapidly becoming more sophisticated. Research article highlights that ChatGPT delivers better runtime and memory efficiency than human developers for specific tasks. As these systems continue to improve, their ability to handle increasingly complex problems will further diminish the need for mid-level engineers in certain domains. This growing competence underscores the urgency for engineers to adapt and upskill to remain competitive. The path to mid-2025. AI's exponential advancements. The pace of AI development is accelerating. Research article predicts that LLMs will soon become highly specialized, capable of functioning as orchestrators that monitor and manage software artifacts in real time. This level of integration would allow AI systems to ensure consistency and integrity across complex projects, reducing the need for human oversight in routine tasks. Empirical evidence from research articles supports this trajectory. showing that ChatGPT has consistently improved its success rate in generating efficient solutions to coding challenges. As these tools become more refined, their role in software development will expand, making them indispensable for tasks traditionally handled by mid-level engineers. Meta's vision. Mark Zuckerberg's recent comments suggest that Meta is preparing for a hybrid future where AI handles routine tasks and human engineers focus on strategic and creative responsibilities. This vision aligns with the broader industry trend toward AI-human collaboration. However, it also underscores the diminishing role of mid-level engineers in environments where AI can perform their tasks more efficiently and at a lower cost. Counter-arguments and challenges AI's limitations. Despite its impressive capabilities, AI is not infallible. Research article highlights several limitations, including the difficulty AI faces in interpreting ambiguous or complex requirements. These shortcomings often result in low-quality code, raising concerns about security and privacy. Similarly, research article reveals that AI systems struggle with the most challenging problems, with none of the 50 solutions generated for a difficult coding task passing all test cases. These limitations emphasize the importance of human oversight in software development. While AI can excel at routine tasks, it lacks the creativity, intuition, and critical thinking required to navigate complex or ambiguous scenarios. This creates opportunities for engineers to focus on roles that require these uniquely human skills. The role of human engineers. Both articles stress that human engineers remain essential for ensuring the quality and safety of AI-generated code. Article 1 warns against placing too much trust in automated systems, emphasizing the need for validation and oversight. Engineers who can effectively collaborate with AI tools will play a crucial role in maintaining the integrity and reliability of software systems, highlighting the enduring value of human expertise in an increasingly automated world. Implications for engineers, upskilling and adaptation. As AI continues to encroach on routine tasks, engineers must adapt to stay relevant. Research Article 1 advises professionals to pivot toward higher-order roles, such as system architecture, AI integration, and ethical oversight. These roles require skills that AI cannot replicate, such as strategic thinking, creativity, and ethical judgment. Research Article 2 emphasizes the importance of collaboration with AI. Engineers who learn to use tools like ChatGPT effectively can significantly enhance their productivity, turning potential threats into opportunities. By mastering the art of AI-human collaboration, professionals can position themselves as indispensable assets in the tech industry. Future job roles. The rise of AI opens new opportunities for engineering careers. Instead of focusing solely on coding, engineers can specialize in areas like AI governance, bias mitigation, and system optimization. These roles demand a deep understanding of both technology and its societal implications, offering a pathway for professionals to thrive in an AI-driven future. Moreover, engineers who take on roles as AI trainers, ethical reviewers, or system architects will play a pivotal role in shaping the future of technology. By focusing on these high-value areas, they can ensure their continued relevance in a rapidly changing industry. The rise of AI poses a thought-provoking question. Will it empower engineers to achieve greater heights, or will it render traditional programming roles obsolete? The answer lies in how individuals and organizations respond to this paradigm shift. With the right strategies, AI can become a powerful ally rather than a disruptive force. What do you think about AI's impact on software engineering? Are you excited about its potential or concerned about its implications? Share your thoughts and strategies for adapting to this AI-driven world in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to join the conversation about the future of technology and its impact on our lives.